Hi everyone, welcome to Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see Chapter 2 Hide and Seek Complete Notes. First we will study top view, front view and side view of an object. This is the picture of a brick. We will find its side view, front view and top view. When you look at this brick from the front, you can see its length and width. We can see this part. This front view looks like a rectangle. When you look at this brick from above, what you will see? You can see its top view. See, this is the top view of this brick. This also looks like a rectangle. When you look at this brick from the sides, what you can see? You can see its side view. So, this is the side view of our brick. Now we will see front view, side view and top view of a chair. See the front view. This is the front view. What you can see from the front, you can see the backrest. Here you can see the backrest, then the seat, then the front legs. These things you can see from the front. When you look at this picture from the side, you can see this view. This is the side view of the chair. Next one, top view of the chair. From the top, we can see the seat and the top of the backrest. See the next example. Here you can see front view, side view and top view of a car. Now you understood front view, side view and top view. Next, grid game. A grid contains rows and columns. This grid has 3 rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3 and 3 columns. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Now draw a star at the top left corner. See, this star is at the top left corner. Now draw a kite in the second row and first column. This is the position second row, first column. Draw a kite in the first column of row 2. Now draw a book in the middle of the grid. This is the middle of the grid. Draw a book here. This is the middle position, column 2 of row 2. See the next question. Draw a flower at the bottom right corner. This is the bottom right corner. That is column 3 of row 1. So we had drawn the flower at the bottom right corner. Now we have one more question. Draw a ball in the third row and second column. This is the position of the ball. Third row, second column. See the figure here. So a grid contains rows and columns. I had already uploaded textbook explanation video of this chapter. Those who have not watched, please go through it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.